Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you a quick and simple two-step way to fix a common display problem on Windows 11. Step 1. Update display driver. Go to the search bar and type Device Manager, then open it. Look for Display Adapters and expand it. Right-click on your graphics driver, select Properties, go to the Driver tab, and click Update Driver. Make sure your internet is connected, then choose Search Automatically for drivers. Windows will find and install the best driver for your system. Once done, close the window. Step 2. Enable Windows Update Service. Go back to the search bar and type Services, then open it. Find Windows Update, set the startup type to Automatic, and click Apply, then OK. Now open Settings, go to Windows Update, and check for updates. Download and install any available updates. Also ensure your HDMI cable is properly connected. That's it. Your display issues should now be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tips.